Question number 13. Which pressure volume PV diagram represents a Carnot cycle? What is a Carnot cycle? A Carnot cycle is one wherein you have something like an isothermal expansion followed by an adiabatic expansion, and then after this there is a reversal. The sixth is a adiabatic compression, and then you have an isothermal compression. This is what exactly happens. Okay. Now you need to look at the figures to understand this. Now what is the easiest way to get this answer here? Expansion. So when I say about expansion, what happens? Volume should increase. Now let us look at this here. So here you see volume is increasing, but what is happening here? Pressure is constant. When I say about isotherm, what do you mean by isotherm? It means V decreases or increases, and P also increases or decreases in such a way that the value of PV is equal to a constant. Which means both P and V should vary. So as a result of it, this is incorrect. This is incorrect. Let us look at this here. Here it's not so. So it should be only between C and D. Now let us understand expansion. So first there should be an expansion. Where is an expansion happening here? See, what do you mean by expansion? Expansion means volume should increase. Is there an increase in volume? See here, the volume at this point, volume was so much over here, and here what's happening? Volume is larger over here. Volume is increased. Okay, so this is seen to be correct. Here what happens? Let us say volume has increased over here. Here also this is right. Okay. Now adiabatic expansion. Now what is happening in this case at the same time is that when volume is increasing, pressure is also increasing. Is this possible? It is never possible, because in an ideal gas we know that when volume increases, pressure should decrease. Therefore, this is incorrect. The only right answer.